that we're using to create the presentations and to really enable you to have the most powerful follow-up system in the industry is provided for you, and it's part of your $60 affiliate fee annually. So it's not an additional charge to use this. Now with AI, it's really interesting because there's going to be two types of people. There's going to be people that consume AI and don't make money with it, and then there's going to be people who use AI to earn money. Well, this is a way for you to be in the business where you've got AI tools working for you 24/7, and we've got trainings to show you how to set up fundraisers, work with massive influencers. There's so many people out there looking for a way to create residual income that when you bring those people to Save Club, you can be earning a matching bonus off of everything that they earn. And with our marketing system, Powerline app, and AI, we really have a complete business package, and it's so powerful for just $299.97 for the year. Now, this compensation plan is powered by our 2x16 force matrix. And so as the organization grows with 2 people, 4 people, 8 people, 16, 32, 64, as your organization grows just through 12 levels, there could be over 4,000 people on that 12th level, and it's around 8,000 people inside the organization. Well, with that type of organization, even if you did nothing, you could be earning over $4,000 a month in passive income. But where it becomes very interesting is when you start introducing people to Save Club and you earn a matching bonus off of their matrix commissions. It is a powerful compensation plan, and you're getting involved at the absolute best time. So how do you introduce people to Save Club? We've got all the tools and training, but you're always welcome to invite them onto these calls that we do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday live here on the Zoom. Now, when you're ready to get started, the first thing you should do is dive into our 90-day Blitz training program. We took all the best training on what to do in 2026 to build a residual income, and we give it to you as part of your affiliate fee. And there's literally thousands and thousands of dollars in training here that is available when you become a Save Club affiliate. We also have our 100 Good Days training program that when you're a Save Club affiliate, this is part of what you get as well. This is a mindset training because when you're developing a home-based business, you've got to have the right tools, the right mindset, the right attitude, but mainly a great community. And that's really what our 90-day Blitz and Save Club business building community is all about. So I'm ending it with this. So imagine this: you're starting a business, and if you're going to start a business, and you're probably going to need a website and some marketing system, and it could easily cost you $4,000 or more to develop and put all this together, especially one that works well. You're going to have to put payment processing and merchant banking in place to be able to take credit cards and accept payments and send money around the world. If you've got a business, you're probably going to need some sort of training or coaching to teach you what to do. Because if you learn from somebody that's successful, you'll have a much better way to go. And with any business, if you're trying to get leverage, there's not too many ways to do it. If you've got a traditional business, the way you get leverage is with employees and staff, and with that comes along insurance and healthcare expenses, and just very conservatively $60,000 a year. That's probably real conservative. And then if you were to do something like develop an app or develop something and bring in all the deals and set up all the connections, the cost for that could be enormous. I mean, to set up a business that is even comparable like this, it could cost you far more than $100,000. But with Save Club, you get all the earning potentials. You can start today. You can get paid next Friday, and it's just $300 for the whole year, and everything is included. So, this business is picking up lots of momentum. We've got our advertising marketing co-ops ramping up right now, where we're bringing in tons of data, tons of marketing tools in place. We're growing our traffic. We're optimizing our different pages. And guess what? we're doing that as a team. We're doing that from a corporate perspective to really set it all up so that you can be in a low cost business and be able to generate money every single Friday. So, with that, I want to thank you for attending the presentation. Get back with the person that introduced you here. Inside of the emails, you can get right back to Save Club at saveclub.com/login. You could put your email address right in as a pre-enrollee and get upgraded inside of this business today. So, with that, guys, on Friday, we're going to have a fantastic call here. Friday night is our cutoff date, Friday Pacific time, Friday at midnight Pacific time. We do a cutoff. So if you've came in as a pre-enrollee and you're taking a look at this business, be sure you get upgraded as soon as possible because it's going to lock you into the highest possible place inside of our 2x16 matrix and give you the best potential for earning. So with that, I would like to welcome you to Save Club and looking forward to meeting each and every one of you and have you part of our business building team, part of our 90-day blitz training, and enjoying everything that we have to offer here. So with that, have a wonderful, wonderful night. Hey, Kelly.